Hello guys, welcome to the third party of the crochet tutorial. Now the turn of ivory yarn. At first, let's find the exact point where to start. Yes, it's the middle stitch of flower. Pull yarn and chain 1. Make a single crochet into the same stitch. Mark the first stitch. Please watch carefully. Here, showing where to insert the hook. The single crochet of last ivory color round. Insert hook and pull yarn to make a single crochet. Be sure to loop a little longer. Chain 1 and make another single crochet. That's the first set. Go to the middle of next 3 orange stitch, insert the hook, and make a single crochet. Go to next single crochet of last irony color round. Make our single crochet. Repeat in such rule to the end, 12 sets in total. Now the last set. At last, slip into the first stitch to close this round. Next round, it's the turn of green yarn. We crochet the leaves. Please watch carefully. Where should the hook goes in? Pull the green yarn and make 3 chains. Take it as the first double crochet. Mark the third chain. Chain 1 and make another double crochet. Chain 1 more. That's the first set. Ready to make the second set? Make 1 double crochet. A chain and another double crochet. Chain 1. Now the third set. Repeat in such rule. Please go to the first and second part of the tutorial if you want to learn how to crochet the orange round. Six rounds flowers in total. Fasten off the orange yarn. Hide the tail. Next round, ivory yarn only. Still start from the middle stitch of this 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and make a single crochet. Go to the single crochet of last ivory round. Make a single crochet, pull the loop a little longer. Chain 1 and make another single crochet. That's one set. The second set. Go to the next middle stitch. Make a single crochet. Next one, single crochet, one chain, and another single crochet. That's 2 sets. Repeat in such rule to the end. The last set. Slip into the first stitch and chain 1. Insert hook. Here's it's the space between 2 single crochet. We make 4 double crochet. Next, 1 single crochet. That's one set. Now the second set. For double crochet here. Next one, single crochet. and the third set. Repeat to the end. Fasten off the yarn. Connect with the first stitch. Please watch the video carefully. Here showing how to end traceless. Hide all the tails. Fold the edge. Install the magnetic buttons at middle. Now, fix the magnetic button. Fix the other side in the same way. Install the ball chain. Now we get the beautiful bag. Thanks for your company.